Winter Storm Trinity, as you can see in the purple and the darker shaded purple, this is going to be the ice threat of icy conditions on the roadways. Now, if you guys live in the darker shaded purple, be safe and do not travel along these areas where the bullseye of the darker stuff is. We do not want you to travel through there, and it can also cause power outages, and there will be quite a bit of accidents that might happen. So please be careful. Do not travel through this icy conditions, and we will talk about the snow system coming up this weekend.